From this tutorial, we will discuss popular transitions during movie editing. This video previews several transitions, which are used by most directors. In the next 3 videos, I will show how to add different transitions step by step. Firstly, I will show 3 movies, spliced without any transitions. Without any transitions, jumping from one video to another is very uncomfortable to audience. It is a sudden change. Next, I will show 3 movies, spliced with fade in and out transitions. Now feel better. The second one. It brings a black screen during the transition. Dissolve is much better than fade in and out alone. The second one. Dissolve overlaps fade out for one video, and fade in for another. Next, I will show 3 movies, spliced with wipe transitions. The second one. Now show 3 movies, spliced with wipe and span transitions. The second one. Next, show 3 movies, spliced with wipe and zoom transitions. The second one. Now, show 3 movies, spliced with zoom transitions. The second one. Last, show 3 movies, spliced with zoom and rotation transitions. The second one. Video transitions are post-production techniques, used in film or video editing, to connect one clip to another. There are 3 basic tips, how to use transitions. Firstly, during changing scenes, the changes need to be smooth, to make audience feel comfortable. Secondly, transition should serve for the story. It is not suggest using crazy transitions. Special transitions are only used for fun, conveying a mood or tone, or emphasis. Last, keep transitions consistent in a video. Thanks for taking time to watch this topic. If you do like my channel, X Science, please subscribe, comment, and share the videos to your friends. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.